Hi everyone, if you want to know how I made this delicious cheesecake in Adobe Illustrator, stay tuned. I started with a circle and gradient tool shading the top. So it's the time to add a big shadow as the main shadow on the ground. Keep it in mind that I'm taking a simple approach. If you want, you can use some texture. And then we should make our flowers on top. They smell so good. Some damask rose and also some pistache. Let's leave a sliced pistache to make it more interesting. Then pour some syrup, place the spotlights, and finished. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.